Not sure how to tie different types of balloons properly? In this video, I will show you how to tie latex, bubble, and foil balloons in the correct way. We will learn how to tie 6-inch latex balloon, 12-inch latex balloon, bubble balloon, 36-inch latex balloon, and foil balloons using 2 different methods. Let's start with latex balloons. First, inflate the 6-inch latex balloon using an air pump. Then, pinch the neck of the balloon, wrap it around your fingers. Pull a tip through and tighten the knot. Next is the 12-inch latex balloon. The tying method is the same, but the longer neck makes it easier to handle. Wrap, pull through, and tighten. Now let's try tie the dot by using a ribbon. First, pull the tail of the balloon and place the ribbon along the neck of the balloon. When you tie the balloon as usual, make sure the ribbon is pulled together into the knot. This way, the ribbon is secured inside the balloon knot without needing to tie an extra knot. Bubble balloons are a bit different. Before tying, stretch the bottom part of the bubble balloon. Keep twisting and stretching it gently until it becomes longer. This makes the balloon much easier to tie and helps prevent air leaks. Once it's long enough, tie the knot slowly and securely. Now for the 36-inch latex balloon. Because it's larger and heavier, make sure the knot is tight and secure. Stretch the neck slightly. Wrap, pull through, and tighten firmly. Let's move on to foil balloons. Foil balloons don't need traditional knots, but they still need to be secured. The first method, which is insert the bottom part of the foil balloon onto a stick. Then, use a tape to secure the balloon to a stick. The second method is by using a ribbon. Make a loop with a ribbon. Insert the bottom part of the foil balloon into the loop. Pull the ribbon tight and tie a knot. This method is great when you have balloons to float or hang nicely. And here's the final result. All balloons tied properly, secured, and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more balloon tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.